Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be working on my 51 Mercury here, doing a bunch of projects on it. And what this is going to be is a bunch of short videos I'm going to be putting out on different segments and as I make progress on this. I'm committed to going to a car show and I want this thing to run and drive under its own power. Not drive to the show, you know, I'll take it there on the trailer, but at least be able to pull in the show with it running under its own power. So I've got the LS out. I'm not going with an LS at this point. Maybe I will later, but I'm going with a small block Chevy. Put out a poster on my social and all you guys said small block Chevy. So that's what I'm doing. I'm getting the steering put in, my booster and pedal assembly, all that kind of stuff for the brakes. So tag along with this build. It's going to be great. Make sure you hit that subscribe so you stay up to date with all the current videos. Smash that like. Thanks for tagging along. All right, so what did I get done tonight? Not much, honestly. So let me show you. All right, I got the dash in. Isn't it dashing? Got the seat in, just sort of figured that out. I'll show you me trying to climb in and out. I figured you guys might like a laugh watching me try to get in and out of this thing with this stupid door bar across here. I mean, I guess I could cut it out, but there's no center in the car. So maybe it helps. I don't know. I'm so flexible. Oh. All right, I'm in. The seat's too low anyway. Seat's got to come up. Just trying to somewhat get a feel for this, where I want my steering column to be. Ish. I mean, I guess this seat could go back a bit. I think I like it right there with that up against there. So move the seat back. I would probably have it. Hopefully it's not. There's still quite a bit of room in the back. So I think I would have the seat about there. Column to be. Come on, cooperate. Oh, I'm not going to swear. Oh, I destroyed that. Yeah, I mean the seat needs to come up a few inches. Just tilt. Tilty. Tilt. Something like that. Yeah, because any farther than that would be goofy. So, that right there. And we're cruising. Are we cruising? Tilt this down. Let's tilt up. Tilt down. There. Oh, now it's spinning around. There we go. Yeah. Man, I got miles I can go up with this seat. Like inches. Cool. Yeah, I don't want any farther back than that. Because that'd look dumb. Cool. Right on. Alright, now I gotta get out of here. Alright, we're getting out. That was easy. So I'm just trying to get this firewall area all sorted out, trying to figure out where the column's gonna go and then where the brake booster is gonna go. I got a couple different boosters, but I think I'm gonna be using this one, not that one, because this one pushes it back farther, which is nice. Pedal assembly and all that, steering column, booster, and pedal assembly, all this stuff is all G-body. So it all actually came out of an 85 Monte Carlo, everything that I'm using here. Actually, that booster I think was Regal, but same deal. So all that 80s G-body stuff is all I'm using, pedal and all that stuff. So once I get it figured out, I will have a full video on what I'm doing to mount it and fix up the firewall and do all that stuff. So tag along and wait for that video.